Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Code 369. Our motto is to learn by doing sample projects. By doing sample projects, you will be learning how to do the real projects. Okay, that is what by doing you will be learning better. That is what our main motto. Let us get into the topic. Our topic today is HTML internal links. Okay, this is a full stack development course and today is class 12. Prerequisites are first of all install the VS Code and its extensions and create folder and open the folder. Then create a HTML file. To do all these things, I have put links in the description box. This is our project. Okay, this is our project. You can see some links here. Okay, because it is visible in a unique way, like it is in color, blue color, and it is underlined. You can see this is as a link. Then you can see a lot of paragraph, then heading 1, heading 2, then coming to heading 3, a lot of paragraphs. And our project is nothing but I have mentioned here, click here to go to the bottom. What does it mean? If you click here, you will be going to the bottom. Just click here and you have come to the bottom. No more you can scroll from here, right? It will not go beyond this because this is the bottom and you cannot go beyond this. Just come to the top and click here to go to heading 1. If you click here, you will be directed to heading 1. Just click here. Now heading 1 has come to the top and click here to go to the heading 2. We click here, heading 2 has come. And click here to go to heading 3. If you click here, heading 3 has come. So this is what I mean by internal links. Internal links are nothing but in the previous classes we saw that we will be inserting a link here, and if we click on the link, it will be directed to another website or another web page. But that is what external links. But in this project, we can see these are internal links. If you click here, it will be moving internally in the web page itself. That's what internal links are. Let us see how we can do this. Now go to the VS Code and create a new file. Type file name as file1.html and press enter. And a new file will be opened here. Main thing which you have to know is the file name should be ending with .html, and another thing which is here you can see HTML, select language mode. If any other language is present here, just click on that and change it. Okay, select language mode. Here I am typing HTML and clicking here. Okay, so HTML has come here. Otherwise this file will not be run. Okay, now we have to insert the base structure. HTML:5 enter. This is what the base structure of HTML is, and I have created a video on base structure and basic things like elements, tag name, content, all these things, and you can watch that video. Now we have to delete the unnecessary things. Just erase this and erase this also. This is also not necessary. Next we go to our web page. First thing which we have to create is the topic of this web page, title. I have put title as internal links, so we have to create the title. Go to the title element and delete this document because by default VS Code editor has given title as document. Now delete this and give your own title, internal link. Next what you have to do is just save this file by pressing Ctrl S and go to the VS Code folder where your all VS Code files are stored and open this file. File1 is the file which we are writing. So double click on it and it has opened. You can see the title as internal link. Now what you have to do is you have to insert all these links. Okay, you have to insert all these links. Before that, what we can do is just create paragraphs like this. Okay, paragraphs like this. Just create three paragraphs. Just create three paragraphs. Go to VS Code editor, and in the body element, press P and enter. This is what paragraph element is. And type lorem, you will be getting a sample paragraph. Type lorem and press enter. Paragraph has come. Press Alt Z. Okay, to do line wrapping, because it has to go beyond the sidebar. So press Alt Z. It will come to the main screen. Okay. Like this, you can add 2 or 3 more paragraphs. I am just select all these things. Press Ctrl C for copying and press Ctrl V for pasting. Press Ctrl V. Now press Ctrl S and go to the web page again and reload. Now 3 paragraphs have come. Okay. Now what you can do is just add a heading named heading 1 and add a heading 2 and add another heading 3, and insert some paragraphs like this, 4 or 5 paragraphs. Go here and add heading. To add heading, you have to press H1 and enter and add heading as heading 1. Now add some paragraphs. You can paste this itself. Just select this and press Ctrl C and press Ctrl V. Leave some space here because you can easily identify where the H1 is. Okay, for that we are leaving some space. Here you don't need space, but here we have left space. Okay, and add another heading H1. Press enter. What is the title? Heading 2. And add some paragraphs here also. Just copy this and paste and add heading 3 by pressing H1, because H1 is the largest font size of the headings. Okay, so that only I am giving H1. Heading 3. And now paste the paragraphs. Now 3 headings we are having. Press Ctrl S and go to the web page again and press Ctrl R to reload it. Heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. We have heading 1, heading 2, heading 3. We can we will be adding some more paragraphs. Okay, you will be knowing the reason after some time. Just add some more paragraphs, like I'm adding using shortcut key. Here there is no P close. Where is P closed? Here P tag is not closed. So I am closing the P. Okay, it has got closed. That's not a problem. Okay. I am adding some more paragraph by selecting this and pressing Alt Shift down arrow. Okay, like this you can do here also. Just select this and press Alt Shift down arrow. Press here also, select this. By Shift down arrow you can select and press Alt Shift down arrow. You can copy many paragraphs and press Ctrl S. Go to the web page and press Ctrl R. Here is heading 1, here is heading 2, and here is heading 3. Okay, that's enough. We have done all these things. The only thing which we have to do is insert these links, and if we click here, it should go to that heading. Okay, by clicking here, you will be getting to this heading. Like that we have to do. So how to do that, you will be seeing now. Now let us do coding now. Actually, the links should be present in the top. Where anywhere you can put the links, even on the center of the web page or in the bottom of the page, anywhere you can put the links. But here I have inserted the link at the top for this web page. It is like index. Okay, this is like index. If you are clicking in this heading, you will be going to that page like that. Okay, index of a book, like that I have done. If you are clicking on this index title, you will be going to the main page like that. Now you will be inserting all these links in the top of the page. In order to do that, go to the topmost of the body element, okay, and you have to insert links here. To insert link, we have to press A and enter and leave the space as it is. Now what I am doing is placing the cursor here and press Alt Shift and down arrow. Okay, after I have done this, there are 4 links. Next, what we are going to do is, first thing is, you have to show a message like this. Okay, 4 message you have to show. And what is the first message? You click here to go to the bottom. To show a message, you have to type in between the open and close tag. Click here to go to the bottom of the page. Okay. And here what you have to show, click here to go to heading 1. Click here to go to heading 1. And here, click here to go to heading 2. And here, click here to go to heading 3. These are the messages that you are showing, okay. Now how to add the links. This is what message is, but how to make it as a link? By clicking here, how you are going to some other place. Now we have to add the reference of that link, okay. How to do that? Now we are going to see. Actually, in order to, you can take this. First we can give link to heading 1, okay. Then we can go to click here to go to bottom. We will see it after some time. At the last we can see this, but now we will be knowing how to go to the heading 1 by clicking this link. First of all, if you have to go to heading 1, what you have to do is, just we will see now. What you have to do is, just go to heading 1, okay. Then what you have to do is, in the head tag, in the open tag of the head element, here what you have to do is type id then equal to, okay, double quotes will be there, and you have to type some name here. I am typing the heading, I am going to type the name as heading 1, heading space 1. You can type anywhere, anything in here, okay, you can type anything here. But next what you have to do is, just go back to the link, and in the reference you have to type as hash heading space 1, okay. Now you can see that in order to go to heading 1, what I have done is, go to the head element, actually go to the heading element, and in the open tag of heading element, insert the attribute as id and give the value for that as heading 1. You can enter any value, anything, but the thing which you enter should be 100% accurate here also. 100 should be same here also, okay. Like that I have done. And also you have to insert a hash here. That is also very important. Now press Ctrl S and save this and go back to the web page and press Ctrl R. Here there are links which comes continuously, okay. In order to break that and put it line by line, what we have to do is go to the editor again, type br here, break element, okay, br and click. Here also br and click. Here also br and click. Here also br and click. Now Ctrl S and go back and reload. It has come line by line. Now if you are clicking on this, what has happened? If you are clicking on this, sorry, I have done a mistake. Actually this is not our link. Go here. This is not our link because it goes to the bottom of the web page. What you have to do is just cut this and paste here. This is where we can, this is the link which makes us go to the heading 1. Okay, so I have pasted the ID heading 1 here and go back to, sorry, we have to save this Control S and go back to the page and press Control R. Now you are clicking on the click here to go to the bottom of the web page, it will not work. Heading 2, if you are clicking, it will not work. Heading 3, it will not work. But if you are clicking on the heading 1, it will go to heading 1. Okay. This, as for heading 2 and heading 3, this is the same process. Just go to heading 2. Just go to heading 2 and give space in the open tag and type ID and then equal to, give your ID as heading 2. Like that, go to the heading 3 also, leave some space, give ID equal to heading 3 and go to the reference of the links. This what reference of the link, press hash heading space 2 and here press hash heading 3. Sorry, here there should not be any space, and press Ctrl S, go to the web page, click here, you will be going to heading 2, and if you are clicking here, you will be going to heading 3. Okay, that is what our concept is. And click here to go to the bottom of the page. How to do that? I am clicking here, actually it is not working. Go to the sample project, click here to go to the bottom. It comes to the bottom. Okay, how to do that? Without heading also we can do that. Okay, actually here we are giving here if we are pressing, it goes to heading 1. Okay, without giving heading name also we can go to we can go to any place. How to do that? Let's say this is the bottom of the web page and we don't give any heading name at all. Just type heading H1, press enter. Don't give any name for the heading, just give space and give ID equal to and bottom, type as bottom. This is the keyword, this is the ID name, and go to the first link and type here as hash bottom and press Ctrl S. And if you are clicking on this link in the web page, it will be automatically going to this area. Okay, this area it will be going. There is no heading, but it will be coming automatically to this place. That's what. Press Ctrl S and go to web page and click here to go to the bottom of the web page. Click here. It has come to the bottom. Okay, we cannot move further. This is what our project is, and let us go to the assignment. Assignment for you is do the sample project and check whether your code is correct or not. Okay, by seeing at the last of the page, sorry, at the last of this video. Now I am going to show you my code for this sample project. Okay, please check with it. This is what code for our sample project. I'm scrolling down now from H1. Yeah, this is it. Sorry, from top I'm showing you here. Now I'm moving down. Please check it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video, my friends. Let us see in the upcoming videos. And please support me and subscribe me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.